Hey, welcome to this video. In this one I'm going to be doing a wrap. I'm going to wrap the bonnet of my Astra. I did a vehicle wrapping course about 3 years ago, which was okay. It was not a bad course. I tried to set it up as a business. No one wants to pay the money it costs to get things wrapped properly. Everyone thinks it's going to be like 50p, but it's actually quite expensive to get done. But I bought a different product. I usually use 3M or Avery Dennison, the good quality vinyls, but they are quite a lot more money. And I have had not a lot of issues, but I've had other issues with some cheaper ones. But there's another cheaper one that's got a really good array of colours. And I just wanted to basically give it a go on here and see how it goes. So I'm just gonna wrap the bonnet on here and see how it turns out. So let's get going. It's been a while since I wrapped anything. So bear with me indeed. Magnet. There you go. So what I'm going to do is on the bonnet, I've got a couple of lines here, body lines. I'm going to put some tape down, do it to the line, do it to the body line, because I could do it the other way, but I don't really want to. So ideally we're going to need to do the outside bits first. You won't see this theoretically. The join anyway. Oh, this is some other tape. I've got some other tape. So the normal tape is really expensive. This was I saw it on CK Wraps. He was talking about this other stuff, cheap knockoff stuff. It's like a third of the price, and it is like just the same. So what we'll do is we're going to do the side bits first, and then we'll do the middle piece. Which means we haven't got to conform too much on the sides as well, which is probably not a bad thing for this end. On there, there's a bit of tape that's on it. This doesn't have any film or any liner on the top, so not the greatest for that. A couple of these magnets down to hold it. Make sure we've gone over the edge. Yeah, got the other side. Yeah, way over. Bring it down a bit more to be fair. A bit more, there we go. We'll cut up the excess around here. If it's any good or not. Still put the link in the description below. Lock it in a bit there, and down, all the way down here. It's quite sticky. Okay. When I was looking at it, it didn't really have too many channels as such. Like some of the other ones have got better, and you can like, if there's a bubble, you can like pop the bubble. Not pop it, but put your finger on it and then it will disappear. Whereas it didn't seem like this stuff had the same ability, but you could like rub it off, as it were. Get it up again. Yeah. said, like it doesn't have the channels that move out. We're doing pieces, help it. So everyone's always like, oh, you've got to use all your heat gun and things like that. Well, don't have to use it too much. Realistically, shouldn't have to heat it. Right, file a bit there. Just lay down. Lay down alright actually, not too bad. The bigger piece will be a bit more tricky. It's quite sticky stuff. So I'm going to cut the excess off. 1 sec. I think they always say keep a sharp blade. Yeah, to cut. Just leaving a bit. So you need to just heat it around the corners just to seal it in. Talking like I know what I'm doing. Don't really know. Right. Pinch it a bit there. Give it a bit, stretch it a bit. Well, that ripped. Luckily not. Not too bad. Hello, Bella. What are you doing? Right. What we need to do as well is we need to get this tape out. So a good way to do it, pinch it, pull, yeah? Then the nitrous tape will come up, drop that off, put that down, take that out. There we go. Pick up knife, sorry. A little bit too much here. Oh, family return. Push it down around here. Then we'll just the excess off. Okay. Go down too bad. Show you. So here we go. Corners look alright there. It's alright here. Luckily we've got like a big double piece of panel here. But yeah, so we're going to do it in 3 pieces. I think it helps stretching off. So we'll do this on that side, and then do the same over this side. And once I've done that, then I'll come back show you the middle bit. Okay.